He's been making us laugh for 30 years and we're celebrating it with classic clips and new interviews from key creators of the iconic show. Happy birthday, Mr. Bean is right here next.
Furniture Village, proud sponsors of Mr. Bean on ITV.
This is an emergency broadcast from ITV. This is important. Listen in carefully. Boris Johnson was shot in the head at 8:44. He was rushed to Westminster Hospital. The man who shot him was arrested for the charge of treason. Governor Charles Shawn will be talking about this matter later. Please await further information. This is our update from earlier's broadcast. This is important. Listen in carefully. Boris Johnson was shot in the head earlier. And from now 9:40, Boris Johnson has passed away. Memorials all around the UK have been triggered. Possible that Governor Charles Shawn may become the next Prime Minister. That is not certain though. End of broadcast. More information will be online.